All right, guys, it's day 2 on the rocker panels on Junior's 04 Crown Vic. Let's take a look. So we've got both the outer and inner layer cut apart, and we've treated this with some rust inhibitor so that hopefully it will slow down the rust that's there and help us for a few more years down the road. You can see we left all these clips to hold the plastic cover, but we're getting ready to grind down the edges here to bare metal so that we can attach our new rocker panels, or at least our patches, in. We're going to attach them with body panel adhesive to the outer part here, and we are going to spot weld them to this pinch weld. So we'll get the metal bent up and start getting this put in place. If you want to see this whole process, stay tuned to Old Car Guy for a full-length video.